Hello and welcome to Language Lesson Hub, the podcast where learning languages becomes fun, easy, and exciting. I'm your host, Nick, and today we're kicking off with English. Whether you're here to master English, Spanish, Italian, or Portuguese, this is the place to start. Each episode, we break down languages step by step, share practical tips, and help you speak with confidence. Let's dive in and start your English journey today.
And I'm your co-host, Judy. We are so excited you've joined us today.
That's right. Today, we have a super important lesson planned. We're going to cover 3 key things to help you speak English more confidently.
First, we'll master the words have, has, and had. Then we'll meet some very helpful words called pronouns.
And finally, we'll put it all together and learn how to start a basic conversation. Are you ready, Judy?
I'm ready. Let's get started.
All right, let's jump right in. Our first big topic is a tiny but super important word.
You mean 2 words, have and has.
Exactly. We use them all the time to talk about things we possess or own, or to describe things.
Right, like I have brown hair.
Perfect example. So let's break down when to use have. It's pretty easy. You use have with the words I, you, we, and they.
So I can say, I have a question.
Yep. And I could say to you, you have a great voice.
Aw, thanks. And if we're together, we could say, we have a podcast.
We sure do. And what about those people over there? We could say, they have delicious-looking sandwiches.
Now I'm hungry. Okay, so I, you, we, they all use have.
Got it. Now, what about has? This is the special one.
It is. Has is for our singular friends, he, she, and it.
So if I'm talking about my friend John, I'd say he has a new video game.
Exactly. And if you're talking about your friend Sarah, you'd say,
she has a beautiful smile.
perfect. And what about a cat?
Ah, the cat. I would say it has a fluffy tail.
You've got it. So let's do a quick recap. We use have with
I, you, we, and they.
and we use has with
He, she, and it.
fantastic. Let's give our listeners a little challenge. We'll say a word, and you at home can say if it uses have or has. Ready?
We.
That's have. We have a car.
She.
That's has. She has a blue dress.
David.
Ooh, a tricky one. David is a he, so it's has. David has a bicycle.
Exactly right. It's not just the word he, but any name of a boy or man.
Right, the same rule applies for a girl or woman's name. Maria would use has because Maria is a she.
You're a natural teacher, Judy. Let's try one more. The dogs.
Okay, the dogs is more than one, so it's like they. That means we use have. The dogs have chew toys.
Excellent. I think everyone is getting the hang of it now.
Okay, so we know what to say now in the present, but what about yesterday?
A great question. What if you owned something in the past? That's where our next word comes in. Had.
And here's the best part, everyone. Had is super easy.
It is? Why's that?
Because it works with everybody. I, you, he, she, it, we, they all use had when talking about the past.
No special rules at all?
No special rules. It's the simple past.
I like the sound of that. So I could say, yesterday I had a great idea.
And last week you had a test?
Right. And my friend John had a birthday party last month.
Yep, he had a party, and Maria had a different hairstyle last year.
She had a different hairstyle. Okay. Even the cat? The cat had its breakfast this morning.
It had breakfast. It's all the same. Simple.
This is great. Let's do another quick quiz to mix them all together. I'll give a sentence with a blank, and you tell me if it's have, has, or had.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Right now, I blank a pencil.
Right now means present. I uses have. I have a pencil.
Correct. Sentence 2. Yesterday, my sister blank a funny dream.
Yesterday means past, so it has to be had. My sister had a funny dream.
Perfect. Last one. Look, the dog blank a ball in its mouth.
Look means it's happening now. The dog is an it, so the special word is has. The dog has a ball.
3 for 3. That's a fantastic tip you shared, Judy. The time words are your best friend here.
Totally. Words like now or today mean you need have or has. Words like yesterday or last week mean you need had.
Speaking of friends, we've been using a lot of little words like he, she, it, and they. What are those called again, Judy?
Those are called pronouns, and they are like secret agents in our sentences.
Secret agents? I like that. What do they do?
They take the place of a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. It stops us from repeating the same name over and over again.
Ah, that makes sense. So instead of saying, this is my friend Alex, Alex likes to draw pictures, Alex is very talented.
Exactly. That's a lot of Alex. Instead, you can use a pronoun.
So I would say, this is my friend Alex. He likes to draw pictures. He is very talented.
Perfect. He is the pronoun for a boy or a man.
And I'm guessing she is the pronoun for a girl or a woman?
This is my mom. She is a doctor.
Okay, so he for boys, she for girls. What about my desk or a tree or my pet hamster?
That's where it comes in. We use it for a single thing or an animal.
So, my desk is messy. It is covered in books. Or, my hamster is cute. It loves to run on its wheel.
Exactly right. Now, those are all for single things. What if we have more than one?
Good question. What if I'm talking about you and me?
If you are part of the group, you use we, as in, you and I are hosts, we talk on a podcast.
We do. And then there are us and our, which are related, right?
Right. Us is for when the action is happening to the group, like our parents gave a gift to us.
And our is to show that something belongs to the group. This is our microphone.
Perfect. Now, what if you're talking about a group of people, but you're not in the group?
Like, if I see kids playing in the park?
Yup, you wouldn't say we are playing. You'd say they.
They are playing in the park. That makes total sense.
You're a pro. So let's do a super quick pronoun replacement game. I'll say a sentence with a name, and you replace it with a pronoun.
I'm ready.
My teacher, Mrs. Davis, is very kind.
Mrs. Davis is a she, so she is very kind.
The car is very fast.
The car is an it. It is very fast.
My brothers are watching a movie.
Brothers, that's more than one, so it's a they. They are watching a movie.
Amazing! See? Pronouns are our friends. They make our sentences so much smoother.
Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for. We have the verbs have, has, had, and we have our pronoun secret agents.
It's time to put them all together and talk to people.
Starting a conversation can feel scary, but it's really easy if you know a few key phrases.
The first step is always the same, a simple greeting.
Hello, or the more casual, hi.
After you say hi, it's polite to ask how the other person is doing. You can ask, "How are you?"
And the simple, friendly answer is, I'm good, thank you. And you? Or, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? It's always nice to ask back.
Definitely. Let's do a quick role play. I'll start.
Okay.
Hi, Nick.
Hello, Judy. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
See? Simple. We just had a mini conversation.
Now let's add our grammar. You can ask questions using have and has.
Right, like you could ask someone, "Do you have any pets?"
That's a great one. Let's continue our role play. Judy, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Sparky.
Oh, cool. What is he like?
He has a lot of energy. He loves to play fetch.
That sounds fun. We just used have, he, and has right there.
We did, and our listeners can do it too. You can ask about hobbies, family, or school.
For example, do you have any brothers or sisters? Or, your friend has a cool backpack. Where did she get it?
Those are perfect conversation starters. The most important thing is to be curious and friendly.
And believe it or not, that's all the time we have for today's lesson. You know, Judy, speaking of being friendly and curious, a great way to start a conversation is by asking a very common question.
Wow, time flies when you're learning English.
Let's do a super fast recap. We learned how to use have and has for the present.
And had for the past.
We met our pronoun secret agents like he, she, it, we, and they.
And we learned the basics of starting a friendly conversation.
Your homework is to try starting one conversation this week. Even a simple hello counts.
That's a great idea. Thanks for joining us on the Lesson Hub.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.